libaga liaya mo Senator omokoro bekiama gia UDA omo Swati Moske Gloria Orwobas buna omo Senator liachire orwao. Senator Orwobas nigo agetisko ekiama kia UDA kubwatakana no gotabwatia amachiko yekiama ekyo na litko lia lero nigo mo Swati Consolata Nabwire Wakwabubi atia ni wabene kuira libaga elio.
I, Consolata Nabwire Wakwabubi, having been elected a member of the Senate, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
My new senator, you will have to decide what you are going to become in this house. The party will expect you to take party position on everything. But at some point, tell your party the truth. Unfortunately, I lost a member who was actually from my delegation, Madam Orwobas. I give her all the respect, and I was disappointed that she left, but we let the law take its course. For anybody who wants to come to this house, those who much is given, much is expected.
Sometimes independence is only on paper, especially when you belong to the party that has nominated you. So our senior sister, we wish you well, and we want to see you see the end of this term, because if you are not careful with your mouth, UDA will remove you.
From a decision on your predecessor, which called into question, Mr. Speaker, the issue of integrity when you are a member of this house. Coming at this time, when the integrity of Parliament is under the microscope, I hope everybody will realize that institutions of Kenya are greater than any Kenyan, despite the office of whoever that Kenyan is.
Senator Mogeni. You know, I want to welcome my colleague Senator. Speaker, when I was the chair of Law Society, there is one clause that was in the harmonized draft constitution. Fought very hard to delete from the 2010 constitution. And that clause was giving a political party power to initiate expulsion of a member that can lead to that member losing the seat. When that clause was deleted, I thought I will not in my lifetime see a party expel a member and that member loses her or his seat in Parliament.
Ne karabara tura mangana yo siasa